Activity 6.4, configuring shadow copies. We're going to enable shadow copies on a volume. So here we're logged in as an administrator on the server. So now we want to click Start, and we want to go to Computer. And we want to right-click on Queue Data and click Configure Shadow Copies. So now we have the Shadow Copies tab open here. And so what we want to do is select the volume list box, click Queue. Okay, we're on Queue. Now click the Settings button. And we want to click Schedule. And now it's currently it's at every 7 a.m. every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, starting on today's date. Let's add a new one, because I don't want to do a copy at 7 o'clock in the morning. I'd rather do one overnight. So we'll go advanced. Actually, hold on. Let's just go with the standard one. That'll work for now. Okay. Let's hit cancel. We'll go with that schedule because that schedule should be the same. Okay. That works for me. And now to enable the shadow copies, create the first shadow copy. Click and select the queue volume and click enable. Where's enable? Okay, so there. Let's go with, it's already enabled. Okay, so let's go with create now. We're going to create a shadow copy. Now we just created one. So now let's go ahead and let's revert back to this. Click here if you want to revert this volume, and then you click revert now. And you can see that it is reverting back. Very simple procedure. So now let's go to the computer, go to Queue Data in the shared, and let's do a new document, and we'll call this test. Let's put a little something inside of it. Test. Oops. We'll go save it, and we'll go back to our shadow copy. So we know that that's there in the shared Queue Data. And now we want to go back to the shadow copy, so let's go ahead and oh, dang it. Hold on, let's delete this real quick. We'll go back here, and we'll create a new one off of that. And then we'll go in here and we'll make a new document. Call it test. And let's put some words in there, test. And we'll save it. Okay, so it's there right now. So let's go ahead and let's revert back to before I made that. Click now to revert it now. Notice that the text you created is gone. It's not gone. Oh, it is gone. See, it disappeared. It is not there after I refreshed. So now, let's go ahead and let's create a new one now, just so that we have one for the future. So we know we have one, and we know that it's on a schedule to run this at 7 a.m. every day. And that is how you configure a shadow copy. Activity 6.4. Thanks.